Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're really plunging into some fascinating science, a groundbreaking new quantum device.
That's right. It's quite something.
Imagine being able to measure, the big three of electricity, amps, volts, ohms, all with one single system.
Which sounds simple, but it's actually been a huge challenge, almost a kind of holy grail in electrical measurement.
Exactly. So our mission today is to unpack why this isn't just like convenient storage, but a genuine revolution in metrology.
We'll dig into how unifying these measurements changes the game for accuracy.
And what that could mean for, well, pretty much everything from your phone to cutting-edge labs. So until this point, right, getting top-level precision meant separate kit. Different, highly specialized instruments for current, voltage, resistance.
Yeah, like needing a different super precise ruler for length, width, and height. It wasn't integrated.
Right, but this new quantum device, it changes all that. It promises, well, much better precision and cuts down the chances for errors when you're, converting between systems.
And the elegance of it is really in the integration. That's the core breakthrough.
Okay.
It comes down to bringing two really crucial quantum systems together in one very, very cold place, a single cryostat.
Two systems. Which ones?
So you've got a quantum anomalous Hall resistor, a QAHR, which gives you this perfectly fundamental built-in resistance.
Okay, the QAHR.
And then a programmable Josephson voltage standard, or pjvs, that generates incredibly stable, precise voltages using superconductivity.
Got it. QAHR and pjvs. In one box.
In one super cold box, yes. The cryostat is absolutely key. It gets down to between 4 Kelvin and an amazing 10 millikelvin, just incredibly cold.
Wow, and that cold is needed because...
Because these quantum effects are really delicate. The cold stops thermal noise, heat, basically, from messing them up. It lets them operate with that, stability and accuracy.
Okay, but putting these two systems together sounds tricky, especially if they're so sensitive.
Oh, it's more than tricky. A massive engineering hurdle. Think about it, one system, the pjvs, typically needs a strong magnetic field.
Right.
But that same magnetic field would completely disrupt the QAHR, the other system. It's like trying to force two repelling magnets together in a tiny space.
Yeah, how on earth did they solve that? Seems impossible.
Well, this is where the real cleverness comes in. The team at NIST, led by Jason Underwood.
NIST, okay.
They tackled this head on, and their solution was brilliantly simple in concept, though hard in practice. They used a new material.
A new material?
Yeah, a special material that lets the QAHR part work without needing that big external magnetic field.
So it sidesteps the interference problem entirely.
Exactly. That material innovation was the key. It unlocked the door to integrating both systems successfully in one practical device, finally making it real.
Okay, let's talk precision, because that's the whole point, right? Quantum level precision?
Absolutely. This isn't like your standard multimeter. It relies on quantum mechanics, fundamental constants of nature.
Which means the measurements are intrinsically stable, like built into the universe stable.
Pretty much. They're not as susceptible to drift or environmental changes like classical methods. In their tests, they measured voltages, tiny voltages, 0.24 millivolts up to 6.5 millivolts, with errors so small it's hard to even picture.
Like orders of magnitude better than before.
Orders of magnitude, yes. And similar incredible precision for resistance and current, too. It's really a step change.
So if we zoom out, this research, it was published in Nature Electronics.
That's right.
It's not just a neat lab trick. It genuinely simplifies making these super accurate measurements.
Fundamentally simplifies and elevates it, yeah. This could literally redefine electrical standards nationally and internationally.
Wow. A new gold standard.
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
You could see this being adopted in the best labs, national measurement institutes, pushing the limits of what we can measure.
So, okay, let's bring it home. What does this level of precision mean for you listening right now?
Well, think about manufacturing. Tighter tolerances, more reliable electronic devices, your phone, electric cars, medical equipment.
All right, better chips, maybe? More dependable sensors in hospitals?
Could be. And in scientific research, more accurate data means faster discoveries. Materials science, quantum computing, basic physics.
It builds a foundation of trust in the numbers across so many fields.
Absolutely. And the researchers themselves hope this spurs more innovation. They mentioned topological materials, cryostat engineering.
So it's not just the device itself, it's pushing the whole field forward.
Exactly. It's a catalyst. This one device could spark new ideas, new materials, new ways of controlling these quantum systems.
So Summing up, this single quantum device isn't just another tool. It feels more like a fundamental shift in how we approach electrical measurement.
A really profound shift. It promises a future where precision is just on another level.
Yeah.
And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it, if these fundamental separate measurements can be unified and improved so dramatically here. What other areas of science, maybe ones that seem totally disconnected now, could benefit from this kind of integration, this kind of quantum level thinking?
What completely new technologies or knowledge might this kind of precision unlock down the road?
Exactly. What else is waiting out there, just beyond our current ability to measure?